Hey guys, got your June update real quick for you. June is historically the prime growing season for Bermuda. I've still got some consistent rainfall. Night temperatures are getting warm. The Bermuda grass is getting really active. So let's take advantage of that time. Keep our mowing consistent, keep our water consistent. If we hit some dry spells, we want to maintain the moisture level that most of us are at right now. We've had some pretty good rainfall the last few days. So as we move into the drier, hotter months, this time right now is ideal for preparation for that. So let's get everything reset. Keep moisture levels probably where they are right now. We don't want things too dry, hard, powdery, depending on what type of soil you have. We also don't want the other extreme of really wet, soggy, waterlogged soil. That's too much. Got to find the middle ground there. The grass actually needs times of some wetting and then some drying. The roots like to be dry overall, but of course they need that moisture. Another thing to help them use that moisture efficiency is aeration. We're doing that right now. So if you're in our aeration program, we're working our way to you. If you have not yet signed up, please think about that. Give the office a call. This is a great time to do that. Aeration loosens the soil. It gets oxygen down to the roots so that the roots can use that water more efficiently, use the nutrients more efficiently. So if you've got areas that are heavily trafficked, kids, pets, you got a lot of clay in your soil, aeration is a great benefit for your soil. I also wanted to let you guys know that this is the 1-year anniversary of Buguno, our sister pest control company. For that anniversary, we're running a special right now. So if you switch service providers, we'll match your current provider's subscription. We will also waive the initiation fee, and we'll give you the first 3 months free, up to $350. So it's a great deal. Call the office, let them know you're interested in that, and they'll talk through that with you. There's a neat video that's been produced regarding how our trucks are set up in this June newsletter. I encourage you to check that out. Look at just some little inside information for why we do what we do, how we set our trucks up the way that we do. Really helpful information. So once again, let's take advantage of the water that we've gotten recently. Use this as a good baseline. Keep things moist, that soil, that root zone, keep it moist, and let us know if you're interested in aeration and if you are interested in switching to Buguno, the 1-year anniversary. So we're always so happy to serve you. If you need anything, as always, just give us a call, and we look forward to seeing and talking with you soon.